everyone. I hope you're having a good start to your weekend. I know I am starting to have a great one. You guys catch me going to work, see my beautiful neighborhood, and as you can see, I'm in the Miata today. It's been a scorching summer so far, and pretty much the morning is about the only time that I get to enjoy this car. But that's not what I wanted to talk about today. A whole bunch of things have happened to me this week, and it's actually got me thinking something that kind of makes sense, in all honesty. One thing that I've been wondering is that since people hate driving, most people view driving as a chore. And if that's the case, why don't anyone drive smaller cars? Like, it makes sense. If you dislike driving, you should get a smaller car. Why is it that most people drive a huge SUV or a crossover? Now, one thing that kind of got me thinking this is that I drive a Transit 350 HD dually. That thing is huge. I mean, very huge. It's bigger than anything that you'll see on the road. And recently, that vehicle actually broke, and it's been grounded ever since. Now, in the meanwhile, work has actually given me a Ford EcoSport to drive while the other vehicle is being repaired. And I am telling you the truth. The job has gotten a lot better since I got that EcoSport. The EcoSport is so easy to drive. You can park it anywhere. It's easy to maneuver. You can see everything. And it's great. And it just made me wonder, it's like, why do people drive huge vehicles when they don't enjoy driving? And a lot of people were probably talking about towing or going off-road, but I mean, in reality, no one's doing that. Most people are driving vehicles like the Bronco in front of me, and it's just a regular get-around vehicle. It's their daily driver. And it kind of doesn't make sense to me, because larger vehicles are much harder to drive than smaller ones. It's the reason why they have so much technology in them to help you out. Like, SUVs now have front-facing cameras, backup cameras, lane departure assist, and in a smaller car, none of that is necessary. It's just much easier to drive a smaller vehicle. And it's literally no stress. Driving large vehicles like that is very stressful, especially pickup trucks, because you can't really see anything out of them with the way that they're designed. But meanwhile, everyone drives a crossover or a big SUV or a pickup truck, and then they say that they hate driving, but just getting a subcompact or a compact car will just make things so much easier. Now, I've only driven compact cars. I have only had two other vehicles that wasn't a compact car, and that was my Nissan Maxima, and that was my Honda Accord. And those cars are still way smaller in comparison compared to what everyone else is driving nowadays. I don't need any assist. I don't need any assist. I can see everything, and I can react to anything. Now, people always complain about how big vehicles are, and they say they have to join the arms race because of how big vehicles are now. But if everyone just got into a normal size or a smaller car, we really wouldn't have that problem, and driving would be more enjoyable for the rest of us. I thought about while driving my Anthem Sport at work. It just kind of dawned on me. Now I do understand that people have families, but you don't need like a Chevrolet Suburban or a Ford Expedition to carry people around in. And in all honesty, crossovers are kind of a waste of space. In all honesty, they're more or less just a lifted hatchback that's way less fuel efficient and more expensive. But just driving the EcoSport after driving that mobile service van for so long, it really is a world of difference, and it's made life a lot better. I don't even want to give that van back, in all honesty. Get that van back, I mean. But yeah, I don't know, it's just baffling. But thank you guys for just listening to me rant and ramble. But if you guys want to see some more of my opinions, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.